Hey, how's it going? It's Martin Ross, and today I'm going to teach you Zapp and Rogers, I Want to Be Your Man. Before we get into it, I do want to thank all you for checking this video out and subscribing. We're almost at 5K. Please help me out. Hit the subscribe button and click the bell. Also, help my channel grow by sharing the video, leaving a like. Also, comment, let me know what you think. Also, another thing is, check out my links in the description. I am an artist as well. I do have links of my music there. And also, if you like my beat remakes, I got the links in there for those sound samples that you're probably looking for. So without further ado, let's learn I Want to Be Your Man by Zapp and Rogers. All right, so for many a time, I could not figure out how to play this right. So before I go into detail, I'm going to tell you the scale that I'm going to play it on. So the scale is F major, and that's going to be F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, and F. Now, in part of the song, as we go down, we will be using this B key. So this is an accidental, as you could say. So, but the scale is F major from F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E to F. Okay, the most important part is we're not going to play at a pitch of 0. I would play this song and it would sound off all the time. What I learned is you want to change your pitch. So in any type of synthesizer or whatever, change your tune. All right, your tune for me using the Korg is going to be plus 50, meaning the max. I believe some other synthesizers, it could go whatever to 100. I'm going to 50, which is my max. I believe you want to go to your max. I don't know any other synthesizers outside of that. I'll try to figure it out later on. But I am not using tune 0. I'm plus 50 on the tune. Just remember that. Again, turn your tune to plus max. So minus 50. So if yours is 75, move it to plus 75. This should be where you're at. So let's hear what the scale sounds like at that tune. Now I'm going to play that in a different tune. See the difference? Same scale, different tune. Go to plus 50. So let's do the very beginning of the song. The very beginning of the song, the notes I'm going to use are C, D, E, and F a lot. And then occasionally I'll use the octaves. You can do either or. I'm going to do what I feel works better. Usually he has one talk box line in the lower octave and another talk box line in the higher octave. All right, so keep that in mind. Again, it's the same notes, just higher octaves, okay? Hey, lady, let me tell you why I can't live my whole life without you. No, baby. All right. And you might want to play the higher octave like this. So here, we'll do it a different way. Here we go. Hey, lady, let me tell you why I can't live my life without you. Baby. So you could do it that way, interchangeable. So give that a try. And so the next part is the Every Time I See You Walking By. It's where we're going to use that B here. Instead of B flat, we're going to do B natural. So we're just going to kind of go down the scale and then we're going to come back up. So it's going to be the notes that I'm using. Again, this is all what you can change the notes kind of to make it sound better. But the notes that I'm using is C, B, A, G, F, and then I go to D, and then I'm going to use C, D, and E up here, okay? Every time I see you walking by, I get a thing. You don't notice me, but in time you will. All right, let me play that back a little slower. Every time I see you walking by, I get a thing. You don't notice me, but in time you will. All right, and then following that, you can go the lower octaves or up here. I'm gonna go the lower. I must make you understand. All right, so the notes that you're going to use is C, D, E, and F. I'll play it slower. I must make you understand. Again, you can use the higher octaves. I must make you understand. All right, so everybody's favorite part is the hook. But before we get to the hook, folks, please, if you've gotten this far, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hit that like button. If you haven't, subscribe and click the bell. Also, please, please, please help my channel grow so I can do this more like full time by sharing the video to someone you think that might like this. So let's do the hook. So the hook is pretty famous. 3 notes are C, D, and E. And he has 2 parts where he'll just sing that note in a higher octave. Technically, it's not a higher octave, it's just a higher register. And I'll play those notes. And those notes that I'm going to be doing is going to be G, A, and F. All right? I want to be a man. I want to be a man. And then we're going to go higher. I want to be a man. Again. Before we end this video, I want to show you the difference of the tune, just so you can really feel it, how different it sounds. So this is a tune, the normal value of the tune is just 0, right? It doesn't have that feel, and that's the thing that I messed up on. I want you to understand you gotta change the tune if you want that Zapp and Roger feel from this song. I wanna be your man. I wanna be your man. I know that's kind of different with the whole tune and stuff, but trust me, try it out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment. You got to the end of the video, so I hope you hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell, and you're about ready to share the video. If you haven't, please do. All right. Again, this is Martin Ross teaching you how to play Zapp and Rogers, I Want to Be Your Man. Before we end the video, again, check out those links in the description. Please, I am an artist as well that makes music. I got my music in the description. I also make sound libraries. Check those out. Again, it's Martin Ross. Y'all take care.